Shields & Sons Plumbing and Heating, family owned and operated, serving Lansing and the greater Lansing area for 4 generations. We've been in business for over 100 years. In fact, our grandpa probably serviced your grandma. And be sure to call us and mention that you saw this video and receive $10 off your next service call. Our services include residential and light commercial plumbing, heating, and air conditioning. We service, maintenance, repair, and replace, as well as install. We are a REAM certified dealer, but we service most any brand of furnaces and air conditioners. We also specialize in servicing and installing hot water and steam boilers. We also provide free on-recovery services, sales and service of humidifiers. Call us now at 517-882-4307. You'll be happy you chose us.